Why do mouth sores appear? Mouth sores or canker sores are painful ulcer-like lesions that appear inside the mouth, especially in the area of the lips and cheeks. Like all wounds or lesions in the mouth, they do not take long to heal and disappear by themselves, but they are usually quite annoying, producing a burning sensation and pain in the affected parts, and if there is infection, sporadic episodes of fever may appear. In any case, and although they are annoying, they are not a serious problem to worry about. They are not contagious. There are a number of causes of canker sores in the mouth. Remember to see your dentist if you are concerned about your oral health, as home remedies are never a substitute for professional care. The home remedies I recommend are as follows. Salt water. Rinsing your mouth with salt water can help heal canker sores. Dissolve a teaspoon of common household salt in half a glass of warm water, and rinse for 15 to 30 seconds with the solution before spitting it out. You can repeat the rinse every few hours if needed. 2. Clove oil. Canker sores can be painful, and clove oil is known for its ability to relieve mouth pain. As Dentally explains, clove infusions or clove oil help control pain when applied to the irritated area of the mouth. 3. Zinc supplements. Deficiency of iron, folic acid, vitamin B12 or zinc can cause canker sores, so taking zinc supplements can reduce the frequency of canker sores, as well as strengthen your immune system. Always follow the manufacturer's directions when taking zinc supplements. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera can reduce the pain caused by canker sores and speed up the healing process. To benefit from its properties, apply the plant's gel directly to the canker sore or drink aloe vera juice. Aloe vera can also be used to treat other oral ailments such as herpes or chapped lips. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is an antimicrobial that fights the harmful effects of bacteria in the mouth. Rinsing your mouth with a tablespoon of coconut, sesame or other edible oil is an ancient practice known as oil rinsing. An article published in Mejor con Salud states that studies show that daily rinsing with coconut oil reduces plaque and that the lauric acid it contains is beneficial for wounds. 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy for a variety of conditions. Its ability to destroy bacteria can help canker sores go away. However, vinegar can cause a burning sensation when it comes in contact with the canker sore, so if you experience pain, try another remedy. Dilute 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and perform a 30-second to 1-minute rinse with the solution. After spitting it out, rinse your mouth with plenty of water to prevent the vinegar from damaging your tooth enamel. Rinsing with apple cider vinegar should only be done once a day. As you can see, when it comes to natural remedies to cure canker sores, there are a multitude of options. What works for one person may not work for another, so don't hesitate to try different natural remedies. If the canker sore does not heal or worsens, visit your dentist or physician for professional care. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, it's free.